A hacker doesn't need to spend weeks writing malicious code anymore. Instead, they can open an AI tool, describe what they want, and get working malware in minutes. Now flip that around. Companies are doing the same, using AI to detect attack faster than any human could. Now here's the big question. If AI can hack and defend both, where does that leave you and me, the people who want to work in cybersecurity? That's what we are breaking down today in today's video. Subscribe for more such content around cybersecurity careers. Now let's start the video. AI in cybersecurity isn't science fiction anymore. A recent report showed over 70% of organizations already started using AI for security operations, from spotting phishing emails to analyzing millions of logs in real time. Now, but here's the truth most people miss. AI will not replace cybersecurity job. It will change them. Think about it. Self-driving cars. It didn't remove the need of drivers, but it changed how driving skills are valued. The same thing is happening in cybersecurity domain. Now, attackers are also using AI. A few months back, researchers found how AI was being misused to generate ransomware scripts. That means jobs like threat intelligence analyst and incident responder are becoming even more critical. Now companies aren't asking, do we need people? They are asking, who can we hire that understands both AI and security? And this is where the opportunity lies. In the UK alone, cybersecurity roles are growing at around 10 to 12% each year. In India, even with IT hirings and layoffs, cybersecurity, especially AI-focused roles, is one of the few areas still booming. Ethical hackers, SOC analysts, and cloud security engineers are in great demand because AI makes attacks faster and businesses need skilled humans to keep up. So what should you actually learn if you are just starting out? Let me give you 3 focus areas. Fundamental first, learn how attacks actually work. You don't need to master every tool, but you must understand phishing, privilege escalation, and web application flaws. Without fundamentals, AI tools won't help you. Now, which certification to consider? For beginners, Security Plus is still gold standard. But if you want to show hands-on skill, OSCP is respected globally. And Microsoft SC100 is gaining traction for cloud security architects. What about AI awareness? Again, no, you don't need to become a machine learning engineer. But you should learn how attackers can misuse AI and how defenders use it. Even free platforms and capture the flag challenges now include AI scenarios. That's huge chance to stand out in interviews. Let me share a quick story. I know someone from my previous organization who worked in local IT support team, bored of resetting passwords all day and solving those petty IT issues. He started learning basic ethical hacking, picked up the CompTIA Security Plus certification, and began posting small lab projects on LinkedIn, like detecting phishing attempts with free tools. Within 6 months, he landed a junior SOC analyst role. The difference? He showed that he could learn and adapt to how threats are evolving. That's exactly what employees want to see right now. Adaptability plus proof of skills. If you are a job seeker in cybersecurity, don't get stuck worrying, will AI take my job? Instead, flip the question, which jobs will AI create and how can I prepare for them? The truth is, recruiters are desperate. They need people who can understand cybersecurity basics, can talk about AI responsibly, and can demonstrate skills through projects or certification. And let's be real, the demand is only going up. Every AI-driven scam, every fake document, every deepfake video, they all make you future in cybersecurity even more valuable. So here's your action step. Pick one skill, one project, or one certification to focus on this month. Don't try to learn everything, just take that first step. Because remember, AI isn't replacing you, but someone who learns AI will replace you. Now I want to hear from you. What part of AI in cybersecurity excites you the most? Is it the defense side like threat detection, or is it the attack side like ethical hacking? Drop your thoughts in the comment box. Subscribe for more such content around cybersecurity.